Gale Opposing Viewpoints database is good for finding information on controversial issues. It includes academic journals, newspapers, statistics, images, and many other sources. Here's how you can get to it. Start at our main Cabrillo College library page. Scroll down, hit Articles and Databases. In this new window, you could probably find it here on the right-hand side under Popular Databases. Click on Opposing Viewpoint. You will be asked to log in. Opposing viewpoints can be searched by browsing issues, by clicking here and browse issues, or by typing something into the search box. Opposing viewpoints includes different types of sources: academic journals, images, statistics, news articles, and viewpoints. Viewpoints are opinion pieces. Sources take a position and argue a particular perspective. When you find the source you want to use, the database tools help you to cite your sources using different formats, email yourself sources. You could also listen to your source while reading along, and you can even translate the article into different languages. In conclusion, Gale Opposing Viewpoints is great for background information on controversial issues. Another library database that is good for background information on controversial issues is CQ Researcher. You can find that one in the library page under CQ Researcher. Lastly, if you have any questions regarding any database or anything else, please reach out to the librarians using the Ask a Question button on our library page.